What plagues my niece, to take the death of her brother thus? I am sure enemies a care to life.
By my troth, Toby, you must come in earlier o' nights. Your cousin, my lady, takes great exceptions to your ill hours.
Why, let her accept before accepting.
Aye, but you must confine yourself within the modest limits of order.
Confine? I'll confine myself no finer than I am. These clothes are good enough to drink in, and
Stop that.
so be these boots too. And if they not, let them hang themselves by their own straps.
That quaffing and drinking will undo you. I heard my lady talk of it yesterday, and of a foolish young man that you brought in one night to be her wooer.
Who? Andrew Hawkcheek?
Aye, he.
He's as tall as any man in Illyria.
And what's that to the purpose?
He makes 3,000 ducats a year.
Aye, but he'll have but a year in all those ducats. He's a very fool and a prodigal.
Fie that she'll say so. He plays the voix de gambois and speaks 3, 4 languages word for word without a book, and hath all the good gifts of nature.
He hath indeed. Almost natural. For besides that, he's a very fool. He's a great quarreler, and but that he hath the gift of a coward. 'Twill lady thus he hath in quarreling. 'Tis thought among the prudent that he would quickly have the gift of grace.
By this hand there are scoundrels and subtractors that say so of him. Who are they?
That they add, moreover, they're drunk nightly in your company.
Drinking healths to my niece. I'll drink to her as long as there's a passage in my throat. And drink in Illyria. He's a coward and a coistrel that will not drink to my niece. What wench? Castigliano Volgo. Here comes Andrew Ockface.
Toby Belch. How now, Toby Belch?
Sweet Andrew.
Last sentence bears true.
And you too, sir.
Accost, Andrew, accost.
Good Mistress Acosta, I desire better ways.
My name is Mary, sir.
Good Mistress Mary Acosta.
You mistake, sir. Accost is affront her, board her, woo her, assail her.
By my troth, I will not undertake her, and this company, is that the meaning of cost?
Fare you well, gentlemen.
And thou let part so, Andrew, for thou might never draw sword again.
And you part so, mistress, I would I might never draw sword again. Fair lady, do you think you have the holes in hand?
Sir, I have not you by the hand.
Mary, but you shall have it, kiss my hand.
Mary now, I let go your hand. I am bearing them.
Oh, sir, thou lackest a cup of canary. When did I see thou so put down?
Never in your life, I think, unless you see canary put me down. Methinks sometimes I've no greater wit than a Christian or an ordinary man has. But I am a great ear beef, and I believe that does harm to my wit.
No question.
If I thought that, I'd forswear it. I'll ride home tomorrow, Toby.
Pourquoi, dear sir?
What is pourquoi, do or not do? Would I have bestowed that time in the tongues that I have in fencing, dancing, and bear baiting? Oh, had I but followed the arts.
Thou had an excellent head of hair.
Why would that have mended my hair?
Past question, for thou seest it will not curl.
But it becomes me well enough, does it not?
No question. It hangs like flask on a distaff. I hope to see a housewife take thee.
Faith, ride home tomorrow, Toby. Your niece will not be seen, or if she be at 4 to 1, she'll not
She'll none of him. She'll not match a Bumford degree neither in wit nor age. I have heard her swear it. Tut, there's life in it, man.
I'll stay much longer. Oh, but I'm a fellow of the strangest mind in the world.
What is thy excellence in a galliard, sir?
Faith, I can cut a caper.
And I can cut the mutton.
I think I have the back trick simply strong as any man in Illyria.
Wherefore have these gifts hid? Wherefore have they gotten to it? They like to take dust? Why dost thou not go to church in a galliard and come home at Toronto? My very walk should be a jig. Why, the excellent constitution of thine legs, it seems as if they were formed under the star of a galliard.
Aye, 'tis strong, and there's some different well in a flame card stuff. Shall we set about some rebels?
What shall we do else? Were we not born under a Taurus?
Tars, that's sides and hearts.
No, sir. It is legs and it is thighs. Come on, let me see that caper.